Hill 2024 AgroForestry project.
Hey everyone, my name's CJ Buzzy. I work with Proprogate Ag. I'm here with my coworker Bob Walker, who's on the tractor just in the neighboring field. It's about the middle of September. It's gorgeous weather. We are really excited because we're doing some prep work right now for an AgroForestry installation that's going to start going in the ground the spring of next year, so the spring of 2025. What we like to do on these projects is make sure we give the trees a really good head start as they go in the ground, and a really critical part of that process for us is doing a lot of ground prep in the fall. So what we're doing here is subsoiling to break up any existing compaction that may exist in the soil profile. And then we are tilling to break up the sod layer. As you can see, there's a little bit of thick sod here. So we're knocking that back a little bit, and we're putting down a cover crop of oats and peas to build organic matter. What that's gonna do is add, in addition to organic matter and just getting some nice roots to hold the soil in place that we've tilled during the winter, the peas are gonna add some nitrogen once they winter kill, because they will get killed by the frost. And then we can come back in early spring of next year, and we'll have nice clean planting rows. We'll know exactly where every tree is going to go. This field that we're standing in right now is going to be chestnuts on a 20 by 20 spacing. Of course, there's going to be a certain amount of biodiversity mixed in there, so we have a really healthy, robust, and resilient system. Some of the fields behind me are going to be in alley cropping. So those aisles are on a 40-foot between row spacing, and what that's going to do is allow the farm to cultivate annual or other perennial crops in between the tree rows.
Well, thank you very much, CJ, and we look forward to growing with you. Josh Sun out, Corbin Hill Farms 2024.